Welcome back, everybody. Let's see what's on our list here today. And some of these we knew were going to be here. But we're looking at our Arun reversal list right now. Looks like this had a big move here. We're using this trend periods scan and our awesome oscillator. And we have those trend quality and awesome oscillator tied in with these here to give us a label so we know whether it's in an uptrend or a downtrend. So typically we would want them to agree with each other. And this one's sideways. So sideways, downtrend, uptrend. Who knows? Okay, well, we'll just get rid of this one for now. And we've got our trend quality bot. And we can get rid of that for right now. Okay. Now, BEKE was one that I was watching closely. Also, AMC had a little bit of a pop today, but nothing serious. Seems like it managed to get above our wedge right here. You know, will this continue to be, support? Or are we still kind of, falling down into this way? Looks like we crossed below this channel. This Fibonacci spiral here. If we come out of earnings with some good numbers, it has the ability to start following this outside of that spiral right on up there. And maybe even form a good support right here. But for now, it looks like we're in two downtrending motions on the 4-hour, and maybe daily chart. It looks like we have dojied out right here on this support. That's a good thing. So now that we've come down, we may start to rise back up. We've got plug here. And that seems to be pretty valid across there. And we'll wait for it to go positive here. Now, NEO just has gone positive. That's a good thing. So we'll wait for our trend quality and our awesome oscillator to catch up. So let's look for this bounce here somewhere around earnings. BTBT, we've covered a lot. We've been with BTBT since it hit its recent low. Clove, I really wasn't covering Clove very much. I did earlier on, but then I kind of got away from it, as you can see. But it did break out of the wedge that I had charted and just blew up. And you can see it small little candle right there on the breakout. So it was an accurate charting. Bing, bing, bing. Okay. And CS is one that we've had written down for a while. It looks like it may be going on a run sometime here soon, too, because they've crossed over onto the other side. So we look for, and with our awesome oscillator here, we have it tied in, so it's using the uptick and downtick. So you're getting different moves, all right? So it will give some false signals, but on the stronger, say more long-term signals like this to here, you would have seen that signal. Or like this in April when the buying came in and went all the way up to here, you would have gotten that signal too. Okay, but there are still some falsies that are through here. You can see how they change color. So let's go over here and throw on a tick chart and see what happens, and if that cleans up a little bit. It certainly does, doesn't it? So then we get a better idea of what's going on with the trend using a tick chart. And with our tick chart, we have to click on our settings here. And I think you'll find the stuff you need in the price. Maybe not. Might be in, here we go, on the time axis. Yeah. So you have range, tick, time, and range. So we change that to range. Then you can change from a range bar to a Renko bar, or vice versa. We'll change it to a range bar now. We'll check it out. Sometimes tick bars are really nice too. And these range bars, you can get some good information from them. Like right here. Or per se right here. Or like this. You can see this move is being pushed down, but it's not really being participated in, is it? So that's sometimes important to realize when something is being made to move, when there's no participation. That would lead me to believe that we're able to visually see, a forced market maker move, possibly. In times maybe when the market is closed. So that could be an interesting thought. Okay. So we'll go back over into our time axis here, and we'll change it back over to Renko. And here we go. And we can still see, here when something is or isn't being participated in. But I think those range bars might have shown it a little better. Let's see, LMNL, FCell, Riot, many stocks. Okay, let's see. Didn't really let me draw that one, did it? Okay, let's try again. Although I get it. So from the low to the high. And if you don't really want to draw those Fibonacci's, you can go get a automated Fibonacci strategy. It'll just plot it right for you. Let's see. Isn't this interesting? A big pull down like that. Oh. Bring back the tool. That might not be it. That might be closer. Okay. So we can see that from our low to our high, though, that these candles were able to create really, really high trend lines for them to spike into later. Very good. So I'll continue to work on putting trend quality labels and signals and alerts and other things together, and trend periods. And we're going to make a really neat study. So as we work on that, I'll give some updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.